Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to refresh all Excel workbooks. Drag and drop Workbook Open action from Activities. Drag and drop Cell Value Right action from Activities. Drag and drop Workbook Refresh All action from Activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set WorkbookPath property of Workbook Open action. Set cell property of Cell Value Right action. Set text property of Cell Value Right action. Set WorkbookName property of Cell Value Right action. Set WorksheetName property of Cell Value Right action. Set WorkbookName property of Workbook Refresh All action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.